Tell them where we at.
We're at Dollywood.
Oh, this looks nice. We don't know where the hell to go, so... Oh, dude, is that lightning rod? Yeah, we're going there. See it?
You wanna go right now?
Yes, sir. Waves right. All right, what do you rate lightning rod from 1 to 10?
That was like a 10.
Holy shit. That shit was a 10 out of 10 for me. We got our merch.
The bag.
So far, lightning rod is number 1. That's the only thing we got on, so I guess we'll see what we're gonna get on next. Great pumpkin nights. All right, we're headed to Blazing Ferry. Low-key, I forgot everything about that ride, but I guess we're gonna see. What is going on? What is this?
Can I get some privacy, please?
It looks like you been given that speed train.
Oh yeah. Fish flanking it.
This is the drop. This is the drop.
Woo! Let's go. Let's go. Woo! Woo! Oh, here we go. Let's go. Oh, snap. Oh, that was sick. Hell yeah. Again? Woo! Hell yeah. And back to the station. Let's go. Oh, shit. It's a smooth.
You suck.
Badass. What? Reride. Getting a reride on Wild Eagle. Because we love this so much. Yes, sir. Underrated ride, man. I don't know why no one gets on this. Actually, no. Alright, let's go. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo! Hell yeah! Oh God! Woo! Woo! Hell yeah! Look at them eagles, baby! Oh yeah! Oh, I love this ride. Yes, that was good. That was really good. And Wild Eagle was a walk-on. I don't know why. This shit was amazing, wasn't it? Yeah, Wild Eagle was dope.
I think I like it more than the lightning rod.
That's so cool. Wow, it looks amazing today.
I love drops there. That's okay.
A little loop-de-loop. Oh! Let's go! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh! Yeah. That's fun. Yeah! Woo! Little drop right here. Woo! Woo! Oh yes. Yeah, this is where we go. This is where we go backwards. How you liking it so far? Pretty cool ride. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh! Oh, that's crazy. Hey baby. Let's do it. Dragon fire. Oh my god, it goes quick. What? Oh, this is cool. Oh, whoa. I was not expecting this, bro. Look at that. I don't know what coaster that is. Oh my god. Oh yeah, this was good, huh? Oh god, this is so quick, dude. Oh, it feels so good. Oh, here we go. Another launch. Let's go. Woo! What you think about Big Bear Mountain?
It was cool. It's definitely not one of my favorites, to be honest. But
Yeah,
it was
it's not-
good.
yeah.
It was fun. It was fast, but
It was super
I like
fast.
drops. I like going upside down.
She likes inversions. I know you think that sounds nerdy, but yo, this one's actually really fast. Caught us off guard. And now we're gonna go do, what's this called? Oh, Thunderhead. Gotta go quick, huh? Yeah. So loud, man. Here we go. Woo! janky ass shit. Probably the funnest ride in the damn park. About to do it again. Oh, Thunderhead. Woo! About to get a re-ride on that. Let's go. Look at this guy. Wait, is it over here? Oh, what the hell? Is there a spider web on me?
Well, there's separate things going on.
We're in the Dolly Parton Museum.
I mean, if sitting in a bubble bath is not enough to get your attention, well, you know, what can I tell you? It's all right with me because I've been in hot water before.
Look at these guitars, bro. Alright, so Lightning Rod number 1, Thunderhead number 2, and what's number 3? Oh, the Eagle. What is it called?
Oh my gosh, that I forgot.
The Flying Eagle. I don't know. I forgot what it's called. The Eagle one. Top 3 right there.
1, 2, 3. Howdy! Wonderful, folks, just wonderful. Keep waving all those folks out there and show them that southern hospitality. Now up to the right, you're going to see the old-fashioned gristmill. It's home to our famous cinnamon bread. Make sure you grab 2 loaves instead of 1, because 1 will definitely not make it back to the car. If you do happen to get a 3rd loaf, please bring 1 back here to me. I am quite hungry back here. Engine number 70 was commissioned as part of the United States Army. Look at where he's going, and he don't got his hands on the steering wheel. I wonder, who gave that man a license? Blow the whistle, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Blow the whistle.
She made me get on this goofy ride, bro.
I love this ride.
I hate this ride so much. Oh God, this goes fast. Yeah, this one goes quick actually. Not gonna lie, this is actually not too bad. Oh my God. Yo. Oh my God. Look at that. What is going on, bro? What is going on, my guy? Oh my God. Did you have a Dollywood day?
Mm-hmm.
We'll give it a, what'd you give it?
Like, for an amusement park as a whole, maybe like 7.
7?
Because like, we have went to Universal, so our standards are like...
Yeah, but I mean, shit.
But like...
It's clean, the theming's good, the food's good, the rides are badass. Give it like a 9. Maybe like an 8, 9.